Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log pregnancy on UltraHuman Ring. So first, open up the app. Then here on the home screen, scroll down to power plugs, as you can see, and then click on power plugs like so. And now what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit to women's health. And right here, you will see pregnancy. So if you select that, you will see what here is description, what you can follow with that. Um, so yeah, you will need to follow the onboarding instruction to enter um, the estimated due date. So if you do not know it yet, you can calculate it using the first day of your last period, and you will need to confirm the details to add the dedicated pregnancy home card to your main timeline. Sadly, I can't show you because this one is really dedicated just to the women, so females users. So this power plug is exclusively available for female users, so I can not show you exactly how you can put in, but here is where you find it, and yeah, then you just follow the prompt and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next